Today I'm working on this 2002 Ford Escape. This will work from 2001 up to 2006. So this is the first generation and we are doing the fog light bulb, the one right there. And to get to this, we have to go down through the wheel well. We gotta go, there's a screw here, here, and here, and those are fittings. I'll show you those in a minute. And then there's a 10mm bolt under here that you'll need a socket for. So with these guys, it is nice to have this little pry tool. So these guys are little pressure fittings, and sometimes you have to pull this up so it catches and they come out. Then we got our regular little 10mm bolt there. Just a regular socket will work for that. So pull the, once you have all the bolts out, pull this back and we look inside. There is our bulb. This guy twists counterclockwise and pops out. Then we have these tabs here. I'll put a link in the description to the bulb. This you can pull all the way out to here. And then we have to pry it open with a screwdriver. We got a tab here and here. And the tricky thing about these tabs is you have to pop this off at this and at the same time pry a little bit to get this off of here. So you got to pry this out and then pry here. So it is a two-hand job. There we go. There it goes. And that's the little rubber fitting there. And that's it. Then the bulb goes back in, clips into place there. And then we find our fitting inside here. So there's the light. There's one big slot and two small slots. So that guy goes in. It'll fit into place there and then twist in. Then we throw our screws back in here, and that's how you change the fog light on a Ford Escape. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up. There'll be links in the description. We'll see you next time.